Application of derivatives, CET Mathematics, Part 3, Problems 21 to 30. Problem number 21. A stone is dropped into a quiet lake and waves move in circles at the speed of 5 cm per second. At that instant, when the radius of circular wave is 8 cm, how fast is the enclosed area increasing? Which is asked in the year CET 2014. Options 8 pi, 80 pi, 6 pi, 8 by 3. Now here given radius is 8 cm and speed which is dr by dt. So here given dr by dt is 5 cm per second and r is 8 cm. So area of circle is capital A equal to pi r square. Differentiating with respect to t, dA by dt equal to pi into differentiation of r square is 2r into dr by dt. At r equal to 8 cm, dA by dt will become 2 pi into 8 into 5. So dA by dt equal to 80 pi centimeter square per second. So which is option B. 22nd. A gardener is digging a plot. As he gets tired, he works more slowly. After t minutes, he digged at the rate of 2 by root t square meters per second. How long will time take him to dig an area of 40 square meters? So options 10 minutes, 40 minutes, 100 minutes, 30 minutes, which is asked in the year CET 2014. So here let we take x be the area. Then rate is given as dx by dt is 2 by root t. So now this, if we integrate this, integral of dx is x and integral of 1 by root t will become 2 root t. So it will be 4 root t plus c. So now when t equal to 0, if I substitute t equal to 0, x will become 0. Then we get the value of c is 0. Then the required equation will become x equal to 4 into root t. So when given x value is 40, so if I substitute 40 equal to 4 root t. So 4 ones are 4 tens are. So root t is 10. Squaring on both sides, t will be 100 minutes. So which is option C. Next, 23rd one. The tangent to the curve y equal to x cube plus 1 at 1 comma 2 makes an angle theta with y axis. Then the value of tan theta is options 3, 1 by 3, minus 1 by 3, minus 3, which is asked in the year CET 2014. See here we know that x axis will be dy by dx can be taken as tan of 90 minus theta, because in x axis the slope of tangent will be 90 minus theta. So here if I differentiate y equal to x cube plus 1, if I differentiate dy by dx will be equal to 3x square. So we can write it as 3x square equal to cot theta. Tan 90 minus theta which comes in first quadrant, but 90 minus or plus tan will convert to cot. So here at 1 comma 2, 3 into 1 square equal to cot theta. So tan theta will be 1 by 3, which is option B. Next, 24th. The local minimum value of the function f given by f of x equal to 3 plus modulus x. X belongs R is CET 2014. Options are 3, 0, minus 1 and 1. See here modulus x is it will be x where x is greater than 0. It will be 0 if x equal to 0. If it is minus x, it will be x less than 0. So here if you take f of x equal to 3 plus x, so differentiation which will become f dash x equal to 1 where x is greater than 0. If you take 3 minus x, f dash x will be minus 1 where x is less than 0. So also f dash of 0 does not exist. So f dash of x will be minus 1 as a local minimum. Again at every positive number, 1 is also the local minimum as well as local maximum. Therefore 1 is also real minimum. So the options are C and D. So next 25, if x is real, the minimum value of x square minus 8x plus 17 equal to 0 is, which is asked in the year CET 2015. Options 1, 2, 3 and 4. So y equal to x square minus 8x plus 17. Differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx equal to differentiation of x square is 2x minus differentiation of 8x will become 8 and differentiation of a constant is 0. So differentiating once again, d square y by dx square equal to differentiation of 2x is 2 and differentiation of minus 8 will become 0. So which is greater than 0. So at dy by dx equal to 0, 2x minus 8 equal to 0, 2x equal to 8, x equal to 4. So now if you substitute x equal to 4 in the given equation, you will get the minimum value, because d square y by dx square is 2, which is greater than 0. If it is greater than 0, it will be always minimum. So it will become 4 square minus 8 into 4 plus 17 equal to 16 minus 32 plus 17 equal to 1, which is option A. See, this is the regular procedure, but we have a shortcut already we have done in the last class. 26. A balloon which always spherical is always being inflated by pumping in 10 cubic centimeters of gas per second. Find the rate at which the radius of the balloon is increasing when the radius is 15 centimeters. Options 1 by 90 pi, 1 by 9 pi, 1 by 30 pi, 1 by pi, which is asked in the year CET 2015. So volume of the sphere is given by V equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. So differentiating with respect to t, dV by dt equal to 4 by 3 pi, differentiation of r cube will become 3r square into dr by dt. So 3 cancels, and when we substitute r equal to 15 and dV by dt is 10 centimeter cube per second. 10 equal to 4 pi into 15 square dr by dt. So dr by dt is 10 divided by 4 into pi into 225. So if we simplify, we get it as 1 by 90 pi centimeter per second, which is option A. Next, 27. Slope of the normal to the curve y equal to x square minus 1 by x square at minus 1 comma 0 is, which is asked in the year CET 2015. Options 1 by 4, minus 1 by 4, 4 and minus 4. Y equal to x square minus 1 by x square. Differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx is differentiation of x square is 2x minus differentiation of 1 by x square will become minus 2 by x cube. So it will be 2x plus 2 by x cube. See here, 1 by x square can be taken as x power minus 2. Differentiation of x power n is n into x power n minus 1. So x power minus 2 will become minus 2 into x power minus 2 minus 1. So it will be minus 2 by x cube. So at minus 1 comma 0, if we substitute, dy by dx equal to 2 into minus 1 plus 2 by minus 1 whole cube. So 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. Minus 1 whole cube is minus 1. So 2 divided by minus 1 will become minus 2. So minus 2 will become minus 4. Slope of normal is minus 1 by dy by dx. So it will be 1 by 4, which is option A. The two curves x cube minus 3x square y plus 2 equal to 0 and 3x square y minus y cube equal to 2, which is asked in the year CET 2015 and CET 2016. So here we have options touch each other, cut at right angle, cut at an angle pi by 3, cut at an angle pi by 4. But here always it will be right angles. See, if we go for differentiating, x cube minus 3xy square plus 2 equal to 0. Differentiating with respect to x, differentiation of x cube is 3x square minus 3 into differentiation of x into y square, which is a product rule. Keeping x as it is, differentiation of y square will become 2y dy by dx plus y square into differentiation of x is 1. So now taking dy by dx on one side and remaining terms on other side, we get it as, if you simplify, 3x square minus 6xy dy by dx minus 3y square equal to 0. So 6xy dy by dx equal to 3x square minus 3y square. So dy by dx equal to x square minus y square divided by 2xy, which is m1. So taking 3 outside and cancelling, we get it as x square minus y square divided by 2xy equal to m1. So now similarly we go for the other curve, 3x square y minus y cube equal to 2. So keep differentiating with respect to x, keeping 3 outside, going product rule, x square into dy by dx plus y into 2x minus differentiation of y cube is 3y square dy by dx equal to 0. So this can be taken as 3x square dy by dx plus 6xy minus 3y square dy by dx equal to 0. So dy by dx can be taken as minus 2xy divided by x square minus y square equal to m2. Now if you see m1 and m2, if you multiply m1 and m2, you will be getting it as minus 1. So if product of slopes equal to minus 1, it will be perpendicular. Perpendicular is nothing but angle will be 90 degrees. So which will be curves cut at right angles. Option B. 29. The rate of change of area of circle with respect to its radius at r equal to 2 cm is options 4 pi 2, 2 pi 4, which is asked in the year CET 2016. Given radius is 2 centimeter. So area of circle A equal to pi r square. Differentiating with respect to r. dA by dr equal to pi into, what is differentiation of r square is 2r. So it will become 2 pi r. Now substituting r equal to 2 centimeters. dA by dr equal to 2 pi into 2. So it will become 4 pi centimeter square per second. So which is option A. 30th one. The equation of the normal to the curve 1 plus x square into y equal to 2 minus x, where the tangent crosses x-axis is. Equations: x plus 5y plus 10 equal to 0, 5x plus y plus 10 equal to 0, x minus 5y minus 10 equal to 0, 5x minus y minus 10 equal to 0, which is asked in the year CET 2016. So here we know that when the x-axis touches, so the value of y is 0. So we get, if we substitute in the given equation, we get x equal to 2. So the point will be 2, 0. Now we take 1 plus x square y equal to 2 minus x. Differentiating with respect to x, LHS we need to go by product rule. 1 plus x square into dy by dx plus y into differentiation of 1 plus x square is 2x equal to, differentiation of 2 is 0. Differentiation of minus 1 minus x will become minus 1. 1 plus x square into dy by dx equal to minus 2xy minus 1. So dy by dx equal to minus 1 minus 2xy divided by 1 plus x square. And we know the point 2, 0. X-axis is y equal to 0. Substituting in the given equation, LHS will be 0, 0 equal to 2 minus x. So we get x equal to 2. So the point is 2, 0. Now if we substituting, dy by dx equal to minus 1 minus 2 into 0 divided by 1 plus 2 square. So it will be minus 1 by 5. But slope of normal is minus 1 by dy by dx. So we get it as 5. So equation of normal at 2, 0 will become y minus 0 equal to 5 into x minus 2. So simplifying, we get 5x minus y minus 10 equal to 0, which is option D. Thank you.